Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the university's recruitment notifications. That means I'm going to show you the advertisement from the three different universities, and of course, very few departments are there. And out of these recruitment notifications, here the permanent assistant professor as well as the contractual basis vacancies are also there. And if your subjects are not covered here, then please don't worry, guys. Put your subjects in the or else your requirement in the comment section so that I will definitely come up in the next videos, guys. Okay. And here the permanent assistant professor level 10 category, so the salary is 57,700 rupees per month. So with only PG freshers in some departments, you can earn 57,700 rupees per month. So after completion of this video, then please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the recruitment notifications from the three different types of universities. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. To the present content of the video. So out of the three different government universities or the institutes, here it is the first one I want to show you, that is the National Institute of Technology Teachers Training and Research from Chandigarh. And we got this notification from its official website. Okay, so it is National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research from Chandigarh. And if you go to the jobs column, here you may check down advertisement for the post of assistant professor NITTR Chandigarh. Okay, so if you see the advertisement here, online applications are invited for the post of assistant professors group A in the level 10 as per the 7th pay commission with minimum pay 57,700 rupees per month. And coming to the departments, assistant professor electrical engineering and electronics and communication engineering as well as the computer science and engineering. And here as per the caste category, the number of vacancies are given here. Of course, only one vacancy is there. And the web link for the registration and the qualification, reservation, all these things are provided in its official website. And the last date for online registration is 17th September 2021 till 5 o'clock. And the online application link will be available from 5th August onwards. Okay. And if you want to see the complete details regarding this recruitment notification, then I will show you guys. So as I already told you what are the departments and under which category the vacancies are there. And coming to the qualification, BTech or MTech, I mean BTech and MTech. Okay, so BTech and MTech is required, and the first class or equivalent in any one of the degrees is fine. In any one of the degree, first class is fine, but the minimum qualification is BTech and the MTech. Okay. And the last date, as I already told you, and the online application is already available now, and the application fee is 1,000 rupees. Okay, the candidates applying for more than one post has to apply with a special, different separate applications, and no fee is required for the SC/ST persons with disabilities and women candidates. Applications without fee will be summarily rejected. Okay, and the candidates have to apply only online. Candidates should take the printout of the filled-in application form, and then you have to keep it for the record. So these are the details that they're given here, guys. And the selection process is also you may check down. So selection process will be based upon the personal interview by duly constituted selection board, and institute will conduct the written test for each post separately to screen or prioritize the applicant to be called for the interview. And all applicants will be required to appear for a written test to be conducted for each post. The minimum qualifying score in the written test is 60%. So there will be 100 questions and the duration is 120 minutes. And the syllabus for the written test is given in the official website itself, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so you please check out, guys. And then we will see the next university recruitment. So it is from University of Kerala, and this one is dated on 3rd August 2021, and here applications on plain paper with full biodata are invited from candidates having qualifications prescribed by UGC for appointment as lecturers on contract basis in the Department of Arabic. So if you guys belongs to the Arabic department, then it is a notification for you guys for a period of 11 months. And good academic record with at least 55% of marks. Candidates must have the NET or JRF qualification. A relaxation of 5% is available to the candidates who belongs to SC, ST, OBC and the PhD degree holders. Okay, and Fine. So yeah, additional qualifications are given here. If these qualifications are there, then the preference will be given, but these are not the mandatory qualifications, guys. Age not more than 40 years, and the remuneration is 35,000 rupees per month. Application fee is 500 rupees, okay, through online, and the last date within 12 days from the date of this notification. Fine. So it is regarding the University of Kerala, Department of Arabic. Okay. And coming to the next one is Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University. So from this one here we got few vacancies regarding the biochemical engineering or else the relevant fields, and chemical engineering or else the relevant fields. Okay, so here the number of vacancies are also you may check down, and the pay scales as per the University of norms, and essential qualification is only master's degree in the particular discipline, and the few desirable qualifications are also mentioned here, you may check down. The last date for the submission of application is 23rd August 2021 by evening 5 o'clock. Okay, so these are all the things given here, and the application form is also provided here, guys. Okay, you may check down. So fill in the application form in block letters only. Attach separate sheet in case of insufficient space in any column. Attach copy of all educational qualifications and experience certificates only. Fine. So it is assistant professor qualification on contractual basis, guys. So you have to fill up all these things. Okay, and few general terms and conditions are given here, so you please check down. And application form must also accompanied by attested copies of all educational and professional qualifications, experience certificates, caste certificate or PWD. An application without the said documents is likely to be rejected during the course of the screening. Okay, so these are all the points mentioned. And applications complete in all the aspects should be submitted in the university or else sent by the speed post so as to reach the joint register room number 117 administrative block, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University by 23rd August 2021. And the envelope has to be superscribed with application for the post of assistant professor on contract based in the discipline of biochemical or chemical technology for University School of Chemical Technology. Fine. So total these are the three different university recruitments, guys. Of course, I just kept the number of departments are less here. Okay, but whatever the department you belongs to, please mention your requirement in the comment section, guys. So here the candidates who belongs to biochemical or else the chemical engineering, one thing, and a department of Arabic, second one, and coming to the last one, electrical, electronics and communication and computer science. Right. So for this, guys, this video is for. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and colleagues. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profiling. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.